Science Experiment Pepper Wash by Alex Hsu. Hypothesis. I think that if you use alcohol, it can wash the pepper away. Alcohol kills a lot of germs, so it might be the right answer. I don't think soap will work as well as the alcohol because doctors use alcohol to clean your wounds. Procedure and materials. You'll need pepper, plate, water. Pour pepper and water onto a plate. Stick finger into the pepper and water. Different ways to kill germs. Shampoo, soap, rubbing alcohol, dishwasher soap, detergent, hand sanitizer, hydrogen peroxide, and nail polish remover. Materials. Experiment. Soap. Experiment. Shampoo. Experiment. Hand sanitizer. Experiment. Nail polish remover. Experiment. Alcohol. Experiment. Detergent. Experiment. Dishwasher soap. Experiment. Hydrogen peroxide. Observation. The soap, shampoo, and hand sanitizer work the best, but I also noticed that detergent and hydrogen peroxide did work, but not as well. The pepper moved away from my finger, but stuck on my finger. Results. The nail polish remover, alcohol, detergent, dishwasher soap, and hydrogen peroxide doesn't work as well as soap, shampoo, and hand sanitizer with making the pepper run away. In conclusion, the soap, shampoo, and hand sanitizer worked the best. Alcohol did not work as well, so my hypothesis is wrong.